China's 15th National Games are held in Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau. Today I've got the media kit from the main press center in Guangzhou. Okay, what's inside?
Wow, this box looks pretty. Cantonese box. What's that? Okay, so I found some herbal tea, which I think will be really helpful for journalists from the other provinces, especially those from the northern part of China, because obviously the climate in Guangdong is much more humid and warmer, and I think a cup of herbal tea would help them feel better. There's also this magical oil, which is a kind of traditional Chinese remedy for some minor injuries and swelling. And you know, some journalists may push themselves to capture the perfect shots in the competition, so they make a herb, and a little of this would be very helpful. It even has a roll-on design for you to rub like this. It's really nice. I've just found something that I'm definitely gonna need. The motion sickness oil really saves me because I get car sick very easily, and covering the games usually means you need to shuttle between different values, so this is really helpful, at least for me personally. Well, I have to say, this is so sweet. Like, I didn't even mention it all. There's also sunscreen, a refreshing balm, and some throat drops. Like, basically everything a journalist would need. The box itself is also very beautifully designed. As you can see, it features some landscapes of the host cities, and also on the lid there is a small window, which the staff told me it represents Guangdong's role as China's window to the world. So it's a box filled with care, creativity, and also a touch of Cantonese charm.